Hi, my name is Emily Sumter. I am a sophomore and I'm going to be telling y'all a little bit about myself. I was born in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and when I was about 6 years old, my family moved to the Austin area and we now live in Taylor, Texas. My family consists of me, my brother Jacob, my mom and dad, Josh and Susan, and then we recently just adopted a little girl named Natalia, who is my brand new sister. I also have my grandparents, Mima and Peapod, and my best friend Courtney. I love cats. Cats are everything to me. I have two cats right now. One is named Nutmeg and one is named Marshmallow, and I miss them terribly being up here in college, but they are the best thing ever. This is my second year at Lubbock Christian University. I am a missions major with hopefully double majoring in social work soon. With being a missions major, I do a lot of mission work. I've been to Nicaragua, Peru, Nepal, Uganda, and Kenya, and will most likely end up living in East Africa after I graduate. That is a little bit about me. I'm super excited about this class and getting to know everyone through these videos. Bye!